Hey, this is AC Locke here with SoftWash Systems, and this is Janice from East Carolina SoftWash. What town do you guys operate out of?
Greenville, North Carolina.
Out of Greenville, North Carolina. Love it up there. You're going to start cooling off a tad sooner than us down here. Hopefully so, right? Yeah. And so this is actually y'all's second SoftWash truck.
It is.
Yeah, got their second system now, headed towards 5-star status here in the very near future. And you guys are doing real well.
Yes.
You know, I just want to thank you so much for purchasing this system from us. And I'm going to tell your customers a little bit about this SoftWash system. All right, great. Thank you. All right, cool. So East Carolina SoftWash out there in the Greenville, North Carolina area. Let me tell you why you need to consider soft washing over pressure washing for the next time you clean your property. Well, first of all, soft washing is the alternative to pressure washing. We use water-based biodegradable chemicals. They emulsify dirt and grime. They kill algae, mold, mildew, lichens, bacteria, viruses, sanitizing the surface. It lasts 4 to 6 times longer than pressure washing and uses 1/3 the water of pressure washing. It's a much more sustainable type of cleaning, and it doesn't have all the blowing and blasting and damage often caused by pressure washing. So how do we accomplish that here at East Carolina Soft Washing? Well, it's because of this technology here, which is our Blend 3D technology. What we're doing is we're leveraging chemistry. We're taking 3 different tanks. We're taking water, we're taking a bleach solution, sodium hypochlorite, and we're taking an antimicrobial soap and blending those together into what we call a soft washing solution. Then that solution is sprayed up on a building surface, whether it be a roof, stucco walls, vinyl siding, it could be wood siding, painted surfaces, wood decks, whatever you might have used to pressure washed. Now you can soft wash it. This chemical goes on with a 45 psi. That's 45 pounds per square inch. That's not like a pressure washer, which is 3,000 to as much as 4,000 pounds per square inch of pressure. We're actually using only 45 psi. That's only enough to get the chemical on the surface because the chemical does all of the work. And all that here is accomplished through this head. And then we use just regular garden hose style pressure at about 100 psi at about 7 gallons a minute to then rinse away and wash away that emulsified, broken down, degraded algae, mold, mildew, lichens, bacteria, funguses that are growing on the surface around your property. This actual technology is exclusive to SoftWash Systems in-network companies. We deploy it through a hose reel here, and this is an agricultural style spraying system. No harsh pressure at all. One reel deploys the chemical, sprays it on the surface so that it can break down the funk on your building, and then the other hose reel here rinses it away with just regular garden hose style pressure. And then we have different biodegradable soaps and detergents. Everything that we do is part of our Good Stewards model. And hey, listen, East Carolina SoftWash is part of the SoftWash Systems in-network companies. You need to make sure that you look for this shield because this shield tells you that you're using a genuine SoftWash Systems authorized company. There's only one SoftWash Systems, and if they have this shield here, you know that you're using state-of-the-art technology like this that's going to treat your property softly. It's going to last longer. It's going to allow you to be a good steward, protecting the environment and obeying the law. How do you reach East Carolina SoftWash here? Their phone number is 252-355-WASH. That's 252-355-WASH. You can also find them on the web. Remember, they are a SoftWash Systems authorized company.